So I'm Ashley O'Leary. I'm a commercial account manager at the Owen Sound branch, and I handle the day-to-day activities of the commercial accounts that we have. I've been with Nicol Insurance for 9 years. I love working for Nicol Insurance. It's been great. It's a great company to work for. I moved to Owen Sound in 2002. When I was 15, I actually came from the States. It was a little bit of a culture shock for me, but now I'm married and I have kids here and I couldn't imagine living anywhere else. One of the things I love most about Owen Sound is just all of the different activities that you can do. There's lots of trails, you're close to the beach, the mountains, lots of seasonal activities, just being outside as much as we possibly can and just enjoying every season there's something to do. Other than my Rebo license, I have 3 out of my 4 CABEs. I'm working on the 4th so that I can be CABE certified, but I had a mat leave in there that sort of adjusted the timeline of me accomplishing that. Sure. So at Nicol, everyone really feels like part of the family. I mean, it did start as a family business, and as we've grown, everyone's just become part of a larger family. And it's just a lot of fun every day to come and hang out with the people that you enjoy being around so much to help the clients. The most enjoyable part of my job is probably getting to know the clients that we have in the community and their businesses that they have that we're also, going to as the business, the stores or whatever, and getting to know them from a personal standpoint and then helping them get the coverage that they need for their insurance. Nicol Insurance really works hard to support the people in the community. So we do support the businesses that support us. We support people in the community as well, children's activities and stuff like that. And I think the fact that we take a hands-on approach that way sets us apart from the others. The one client relationship that I can think of is that I have a client who will email me various times throughout the day, and we have this relationship now, and so the one time I didn't hear from her for a whole week, so I actually called and checked in and just made sure that she was okay. She just was busy working on other things, not insurance, but that is sort of the relationship that we have built. A good insurance policy is probably one where there is a lot of trust between the client and the broker. So just trust that we have the best interest of, in my case, the business, and making sure that they are fully covered for what they are offering, and that they can trust us enough to tell us exactly what it is that they're doing, what their revenues are, so that we can take that information and get them the best policy. Bad insurance policy, I guess, to go with that would be one where the trust is not there, and so the client doesn't want to interact with us and we can't offer them what they are looking for their insurance. The most rewarding part of my job, I think, is when we are able to get a bunch of different quotes for the insurance and then find the insured the best possible deal, not just financially, but also one that gives them well-rounded coverages to cover their business. So what inspires me to stay in the insurance industry is that everyone needs insurance, and it's not something that's going to change, and so I just like to keep going and making sure that we can offer our clients the best possible policy that they can get. Nicol Insurance is a family-run business that cares about the community in both personal lines and commercial lines policies, and can help the members of the community with either one of those pathways to their insurance policies. It's, a wide range of brokers, both in personal lines and commercial lines, with different areas of expertise, so there's always someone available to help out in whatever you would need. So if you are looking for an insurance provider, definitely find someone that you can trust. Find someone that you feel comfortable, that will have your back, so to speak, in making sure that you have the best coverage possible. Be honest with what it is that you're looking for and what it is that you need, and they will definitely be able to help you. So I do think it is a common misconception that insurance is just out for your money. They're just out to, take your money and not ever actually help you. I have an example where we offered coverage for transportation replacement to someone. They felt that it was just a money grab, didn't want it, got into an accident, and then weren't able to get a rental vehicle covered by their insurance. And so it was the perfect example of, we're not, we hope you never have to use your insurance, but in the case that you do, this is why we are offering you all of these coverages. It's not just a scheme of some kind.